I don't know if you're like me and have been hoarding pre-1982 pennies or not, but I'm about to give you some good reasons to do so. Hey everyone, Hill Country Prepper. Appreciate you guys checking out my videos. Thanks to all my subscribers. Appreciate the comments. Keep them coming. Just want to say thanks for that. After 1982, the U.S. Mint started making 1-cent pennies with 97.5% zinc. Prior to that, and going back to 1909, the 1-cent penny was 95% copper. There's a lot of reasons for keeping those pre-1982 pennies, and also some good reasons for keeping the newer ones too. Here are some good uses for pre-1982 pennies. 1. If you open a bottle of red wine and can't drink it before it goes stale, you can still save it. Stale wine starts to smell because of the sulfur compounds called thiols that form when the uncorked wine is exposed to the air. You can remove this sulfur smell by dropping a clean pre-1982 penny into the glass. Stir the penny around for a few minutes and then remove it. The penny will react with the thiols and remove the smell and return the taste of the original wine. You can also use a ring of copper pennies around your garden plants to keep slugs off of them. Copper reacts with the snail slime to deliver an unpleasant sensation, so the snails will stay away. Copper is also good at preventing plant diseases and is also a fungicide. And because copper is a fungicide, you can take a penny along with a cube of sugar and put them in the water that's in the bottom of your flower vases to keep cut flowers fresher longer. And there is other value in your pre-1982 pennies, and that's its monetary value. Currently, the metal value of a pre-1982 penny is approximately 233% above its face value, while pennies minted since 1982 are only about 73% of the face value. What this means is that a pre-1982 penny really has a value over 2 cents, while a penny minted after 1982 really isn't even worth 1 penny. And if you have wheat pennies, those are the ones printed between 1909 and 1956, they could be worth a whole lot more. Hey, if you're liking this video, why don't you push down on that like button for me? And if you're not a subscriber yet, why not? Subscribe right now. But wait, don't toss out those pennies minted after 1982 just yet. There are some more uses for them. They could be sewn into the hems of drapes and curtains and used as weights. Punch a hole in one or two and use as fishing weights. If you're in a pinch for a slotted screwdriver, you can use a penny. Sitting at a wobbly table while out at lunch, just use a stack of pennies under the table leg to stabilize it. And pennies can be used as spacers when laying tile. Automobile tire manufacturers will tell you that the best way to check your tire's tread life is to use a Lincoln head penny. Just slot a penny between the ribs of your car tire with Lincoln's head down. If you see Olive Abe's head above the tread, your tire is worn down and should be replaced. If most of the forehead disappears, your tire is still good. You can even use a penny to save on hardware purchases. Drill a hole in the center of a penny with a 5/16 bit and turn it into a non-corroding washer. A zinc-plated M10 washer costs about 11 cents, so by using a penny, you save a dime on every washer. Now, I'm not promoting defacing U.S. currency, I'm just saying. And here's an interesting fact. If you take 16 pennies and line them up end to end on a flat surface, they will equal exactly 1 foot. But wait, there's more. Take those same 16 pennies and stack them one on top of each other, and they will equal approximately 1 inch high. And lastly, if you want to get creative, you can use pennies to add decorative decor to items around your house, such as picture frames, coffee tables, stuff like that. The shinier the better. And the best way to get an old penny shiny is to take a 1/4 cup of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt and a non-metallic bowl, What you do is you combine the salt and the vinegar together within the bowl, take your old penny, maybe a handful of them, put them in the solution for about 10 seconds, then fish them out and rinse them off with some clean water, and they'll be shiny. If you think this is interesting, leave me some comments. Appreciate it.